Angelina Jolie hinted that Feud with Brad Pitt was impacting her health, left her feeling sick from worry. Angelina Jolie's bitter court battle with her ex-husband Brad Pitt left her stressed out, as she said in an unearthed email to her business manager that she felt like she was getting sick from worry. Pitt sued the actress for $35 million in damages and continues to press for her to release the private communications she had over the sale of her stake in their jointly owned French winery. Angelina Jolie also seemed exhausted with financing her brother James Haven Voight's lifestyle, as she decried how he wasn't appreciative of her support. Angelina Jolie was stressed by her court battles with Brad Pitt. Jolie appeared to have been exhausted over her legal battle with Pitt concerning the sale of her stake in their French vineyard, Chateau Miraval. According to USA Today, the Maleficent star complained about how the stress was getting to her in an email she shared with her business manager dated May 2021. "I need to remove all stress," the 50-year-old star said at the time. Jolie also complained that the case was taking its toll on her, saying, "I honestly feel I am getting sick from worry. So, I would like us to discuss better support and not continuing relationships that you see cause me stress." The ex's legal standoff began shortly after a private jet incident in 2016, where the Fight Club star allegedly assaulted her and their children. It became more intense just 5 years later as she decided to sell off her stake in the company without delay. Brad Pitt sued his ex-wife for $35 million. New documents submitted to the court included an excerpt from Jolie's team confirming that Pitt sued her for a massive $35 million in damages over her sale. The burdensome nature of any production is a matter of Mr. Pitt's own creation. He is suing Ms. Jolie for $35 million in damages, an extract from the exchange read. As a result, he has to incur the expense of producing the documents that will show, or not show, those damages. They initially slugged it out in 2022 as the actor alleged that Jolie violated a prior mutual agreement by selling her half of the company, Nouvelle LLC, to Tenuta Del Mondo, a subsidiary of the Stoli Group, without his consent. Angelina Jolie claimed the actor tried to force her to sign an NDA. Despite Pitt's claims about a mutual agreement, Jolie has denied ever having such an agreement and filed a countersuit against her ex, accusing him of waging a vindictive war against her. The actress also claimed that Pitt stalled on buying her out of their wine business, alleging that he wanted her to sign an extensive NDA first that would prevent her from speaking publicly about his alleged past verbal and physical abuse. In recent filings, Jolie's lawyers cited Pitt's continuing refusals to produce documents relating to the reasons why he needed his 4-year NDA covering his personal misconduct, saying the communications were crucial to their case and must be produced. Angelina Jolie was frustrated about giving her brother money without even getting a thank you. Jolie's emails also revealed she complained about her brother James Haven Voight's financial dependence on her, noting how she made several monetary contributions to him, but wasn't appreciated for her efforts. "Financial situations like Jamie, where I just give and don't even get a thank you, is just wrong," Jolie said. She added, "It's not for me to have to worry that I am always responsible every year, no matter what. And he doesn't need to save because he isn't advised and always gets funds." Other parts of her communication with her business manager were redacted due to the attorney-client privilege. Brad Pitt intensifies demand for Angelina Jolie to provide private communications. Last month, Pitt filed a request asking that the court force Jolie to provide her private communication about the sale. The actress previously shared that her attorney-client privilege is one of the reasons she has refused to turn them over, per People magazine. However, attorneys for Pitt argued that she is abusing the privilege to bury critical documents that go to the heart of the case, going further to ask for a total of 22 documents. It is Jolie's burden to prove that non-attorney communications are privileged, not Pitt's burden to disprove this, Pitt's lawyers said in the court filing. A counsel to the actress, Paul Murphy, told USA Today that Pitt's reply brief does not address our arguments and continues to rely on conjecture and speculation, all for the purpose of invading her privileged communications with her lawyers. He added, "This once again confirms that this lawsuit is the manifestation of Mr. Pitt's years-long effort to harass and control Angelina. We look forward to the upcoming hearing."